investors through you, and they're coming on 16th of February to look at various sectors: agriculture, mineral development, financial sector, health sector, and financing, including sovereign funds and medical care. So you have a big group of people. So far we have about 16. We have a couple of politicians as well. One who has just gone from Conservative Party to the Reform Party. So these are friends that you met, and they're friends of Uganda. So
I will make sure that these investors, when they come here from London, they meet the relevant ministries, departments and agencies.
Yes.
Relevant. Those who want to invest in minerals will meet Ministry of Energy and Mineral Development.
Yes.
Those who want to invest in agriculture, because remember the other people want to invest in agriculture, adding value to our products,
yes,
for export, will meet the Ministry of Agriculture and Ministry of Trade. I will also make sure that they meet the head of state.
Oh, that's wonderful.
They will meet the president and the Uganda Investment Authority, Ministry of Finance,
yes,
Ministry of Privatization, and Foreign Affairs. Everybody will be present. Yes. Tell them they are welcome. I'm a farmer. So thank you. That's wonderful. That's excellent. Thank you so much. But even here is local chicken.
Hello. Oh, you hold on. Oh, hi. Hello.
Then about here, rice.
Thank you for coming to my home.